Everybody, this is Steve and Tricia with Homes by Steve and Tricia at Pinnacle Estate Properties. Today we're sitting here with Alan Scherr from CSMC Mortgage. He's going to give us a little bit of insight on what's going on with the mortgage industry during this COVID-19 crisis. So Alan, thank you and welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, absolutely. So Alan, I'm sure there's a lot of questions right now that you're getting from clients out there. One in particular that we're hearing a lot of, and so we would like to get your advice and expertise on it, is what type of plans are available right now to homeowners who are currently having difficulty with their financial situation due to the COVID-19?
That's a great question. So right now, with many people laid off from their jobs or working half the amount of hours, the government has stepped up and said, hey, why don't we offer you 90 days of forbearance? Now, what the consumers don't understand is there are a couple plans within that. If you just say forbearance, what that means is they're going to not make you make your mortgage payments for the next 90 days. What they don't tell you is on the 91st day, they have the right to file a notice of default if you don't make 4 payments in that month it's due. Meaning, let's say August 1st is your first payment after the forbearance. You have to make August payments and the other 3 months in that same month. So it is not a great plan being offered.
Is that the
what they are
only
saying
plan offered, or is that all banks have that exact same plan, or are bigger banks different than private banks? Is there a difference there?
There are differences, and the other plan is, which I tend to favor and I've been recommending to all my clients who have been reaching out to me, is have your lender put the 3 months on the end of the loan. That way, it is only paid back when you refinance or sell. Now, keep this in mind. This is very important. Each servicer is offering different plans. So make sure that when you contact your servicer, you get everything in writing. And there's also talk that after the 91st day, they will report you're late to the credit bureaus. But if you do the deferment to rehab at the end of the loan, they're not going to. So with each servicer having different policies, the borrower needs to get everything in writing after the conversation they have.
Okay, that makes sense. Perfect. Well, thank you, Alan. That answers that question, and we really appreciate your help with this. We look forward to talking to you in the future with some more questions. We are getting a lot, so we appreciate your help.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Alan. All right, everybody. So there it is. There's some information on how to handle loans. So it sounds like you can either, so as an example, if you owe $3,000 a month as your mortgage, after 3 months, that would be $9,000, but on the 4th month, you're expected to pay it all. So now you're looking at $12,000 payment all at once. So if that's not an option for you, take option B, which Alan has discussed. Speak to the lender, the mortgage company, and see if you can put that on the very end of the loan, and that way you wouldn't be paying that until you either sell your house or you refinance. Right?
And if you have any further questions, Alan is available to help. We'll list his number down below and his email address, so you have that, and he'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have.
All right. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you for watching this video. Who do you know that needs to buy or sell a home? If you have any referrals, please send them our way. Any and all referrals are always very much appreciated. We're committed to giving you the best service, representation, and results you'll ever experience in any real estate professional. Who you work with matters.